Welcome viewers. Today we are going to speak to Gurmukh Singh. Gurmukh Singh recently qualified his SSB in September 2021 and that was his 13th attempt. What he has been doing to improve over the years so that he could get recommended in his 13th attempt is what Gurmukh Singh is going to speak to us. He's going to tell you how he prepared for TAT, how did he prepare for WAT, SRT, self-description, personal interview, what books did he refer, and also he's going to share that how you can do well. So let's speak to Gurmukh Singh, and the first question that I'm going to ask to Gurmukh Singh is, where all did he take coaching from and what was his preparation? Let's meet Gurmukh Singh.
Olive Greens Academy, Chandigarh,
Okay.
in 2016,
Okay.
approximately 5 years back.
Okay.
And I attended their full-fledged 14 days offline course
Okay.
there.
Yeah.
And apart from that, sir, I also took the online psych assessment
Okay.
for one time
Yeah.
with the AFPA Coaching Institute in the Nagpur.
Okay.
And I have taken the 3 online interview assessments also.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Apart from taking one with you also.
Yes. Okay. Apart.
And yes, and sir, in conclusion, I just want to say, matlab, I don't want to say that these coachings didn't help me. Certainly, whenever we took any coaching from any institute, it certainly helps me a lot. But like I have taken the 2 assessments with you. One was the interview assessment, in which one thing that I really like about you, ki you said me when you asked me a question that Gurmukh, why do you want to join the Indian Armed Forces or Indian Army?
Yeah.
So I told you at that time, ki, sir, I want to join the Indian Army because so and so reason. And then you again cross question me, ki, honestly tell me when for the first time an idea came to your mind or how you came to know about the ND exam. And then you said to me, and then I replied, ki, sir, I came to know from one of my friend whose brother was serving as an airman in the Indian Air Force. But there you tell me very important point, ki Gurmukh never say this. But you must, your reply must be like that, कि you should say कि sir मैंने इनिशिएटिव लिया, मैंने कहीं से फाइंड किया था, इंस्टेड कि मेरे को दूसरा कोई बता रहा गया मेरा भाई एयरमैन है, तू एनडीए के लिए तैयारी कर ले और यू विल बिकम ऑफिसर एंड यू विल लीड अ ग्लोरिफाइड लाइफ. नो, सो इनिशिएटिव अपने दिल से आना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So that was the thing I really kept in my mind. So I don't say that I modified my responses, but yeah, then I review my all the answers by keeping your that saying in my mind. That really helped me in improving my interview performance. And apart from that, this was the one of the specific thing that I really learned from your interview feedback. And apart from that, sir, you also told me some of the small feedbacks also that really helped me a lot in improving my interview performance. And sir, I think I benefited the most in my psych assessment.
Okay.
I think
this one question you have to answer. See, you first thing you should tell me, how did you come to know about me? ये पहले बता दो. How did you come to know about me?
Sir, from YouTube.
From YouTube. Okay. Okay. Did you also buy my book, Best Book on SSB Interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you must be aware that I'm a GTO. Well, I had been a GTO in SSB, and you have gone to 12 SSB before you came to me for online training. So I was really amazed. Why did you choose to come to a GTO for a psych assessment? Though there are so many selections from my institute, so many toppers from my institute, but somebody who has been to SSB so many times, he knows the procedures and everything so nicely. And somebody like you who has done his SSB training from so many institutes and have taken so much of feedback, it must have been a good reasoning for you to come to me for your psych training. And you specifically said, nahi sir, mujhe interview assessment chahiye aur psych assessment chahiye. And I did give you classes on how to perform well in story writing, WAT, SRT, and self description. So ये मुझे पहले answer करो.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So the first thing that I didn't come for the GTO training to you, the reason was being that I was already good in the GTO. So keep that that sort of testing aside. But as far as your psych assessment is concerned, I will tell you test wise. First of all, TAT. The first and the foremost thing that you said ki your story, you should write such story, the result of the actions of which must benefit to the whole society.
Yes, that's a very good point that you still remember now. Very nice, yes. Very nice. Yeah.
And I will never forget it in my life too.
Yes.
And this is the point that this is the point that I am telling to every defense aspirant who is the hardcore repeater 11 times, 12 times. Because, and sir, you will be amazed to know that 12 stories that I have written in my recommendation SSB attempt, I think out of 12, 9 to 10 stories I write on the societal level.
Very nice. Matlab, if I've taught you something, you are able to imbibe it and practically do it. That is more important part. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And like, sir, I still remember one story in which there is a picture in which one boy is simply running in the sports garments. So you tell us two stories. In the one story, you simply said there's a national level athlete and he's preparing for the Olympics in the India and he working hard, and then he won the gold medal in India and glorified. And then, but the next story you was telling about the developing the athletics hub, developing Bhopal as an athletics hub.
Yeah.
So I wrote the same story, sir, because the same picture has been come to my SSB in which there was a boy. So that was really amazing story, and I narrate this story. I am sorry अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं आपके रिस्पॉन्स कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, बट मेरे को भी सर वो स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी लगी थी और लोगों ने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया.
मैंने भी कहीं से सीखा है. तो हम जब किसी रिस्पॉन्स को कॉपी करते हैं, जब हम उसे अच्छा मानते हैं तभी तो कॉपी कर रहे हैं.
यस सर.
तो मैंने जो कुछ भी सीखा है अध्यात्म से नहीं सीखा. Whatever I have learned is learned by reading good authors, following good officers, and my selectors who actually trained me as GTO. There were some good psychologists who trained me in the psych technique while I was still in the SSB. तो मैंने भी तो कहीं से सीखा है.
Yes, sir.
There were interviewing officer who allowed me and taught me how to take interview, how to assess people. So मैंने भी तो कहीं से सीखा है. तो अगर हम कहीं से सीख के कुछ कॉपी कर रहे हैं तो अच्छी चीज कॉपी करें. And that is the good part in you कि you copied the right things.
Yes, sir.
So TAT, I think, yeah, TAT. Then
so TAT and coming to the WAT.
Okay.
In the WAT, firstly you said कि your response must be crisp and to the point. Because initially मेरे responses थोड़े लंबे होते थे जिस वजह से मेरे कुछ वर्ड शूट भी जाते थे. तो इस अटेम्प्ट में क्या हुआ, अटेम्प्ट 60 आउट ऑफ 60 WATs. और उसमें सबसे मेन चीज ये थी, आपने ये बोला था कि योर सेंटेंस मस्ट इंक्लूड द एक्शन एज वेल एज द रिजल्ट जो उससे मिल रहा है.
See, that is the most important part. अब I tell this to students, but they are unable to imbibe it. Yes. Luckily, you found that because you did tell me after that online class of WAT कि सर साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट मैंने कई जगह से पढ़ा, पर जिस तरह से आप पढ़ाते हैं साइकोलॉजी वो बिल्कुल ही
मतलब यार सर आपका मतलब ये था ना कि आप मतलब एक तरह से बिल्कुल एक सिंपल मतलब जो एक कैंडिडेट को करना चाहिए rather than कि जैसे कई बार अपन बोल देते ना, नो इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव योर साइकोलॉजी यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर इन योर होल लाइफ, आपको अपनी जिंदगी चेंज करनी पड़ेगी, डिसिप्लिन करना, वो सारी चीजें ठीक है, लेकिन सर बी स्पेसिफिक about the things that you must include in yourself while attempting the psych test.
True.
अगर आप वो चीजें नहीं करोगे, क्योंकि है तो ये भी एक तरह का टेस्ट ही है.
हाँ.
So we should know about the things that how we should prepare in a right way. So WAT में तो सर ये था कि action as well as result आना चाहिए उसका. और सर coming to the SRT again, सर मेरे में ये प्रॉब्लम थी कि मैं क्या करता था कि मैं सेंटेंस ही ना थोड़े लंबे लंबे लिखता था. बिकॉज आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम द माय प्रीवियस कोचिंग्स कि योर क्वालिटी मैटर्स मोर देन द क्वांटिटी. But then again, I think this was my misconception because आपने ये बोला, and also I have read from your book that you must attempt at least 50 SRTs, at least 50 SRTs. तो और आपने सर ये बोला था कि your response must be crisp and to the point, और आप कॉमा डाल के उसको लिख सकते हो response को in a very short way.
Sure.
So this was the SRT, and by keeping the things in my mind, I was able to attempt my SRTs, sufficient number of the SRT. Although quality also matters, but you must remember the quantity also in your mind.
True. बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो.
And coming to the sir self description test, I took the self description and मेरे उसमें मैंने आपको नरेट करके बताया था ऑनलाइन SSB से एक दिन जाने से पहले. तो आपने बोला था, then sir you said कि आपने बोला ही था कि हाँ मतलब there was no problem in your self description test, so it was all okay. But फिर भी मैंने थोड़ा बहुत modified किया था आपकी book read करके. And sir, one more thing, I think I also found your book very useful to me in the group discussion and the group planning exercise.
Okay.
Particularly to these two things, because one night before my GTO 1 at the SSB, I have gone through all the group discussion topics that was given in your book. और उसमें से एक तो सेम ही आ गया सर उसमें GTO के पहले दिन. तो उसमें तो मैं छा गया था मतलब उस ग्रुप में. So,
see, your smile is telling ki, you know, this is a great victory for you,
yes,
especially, you know, जब हमारा इतने सारे attempt हो जाते हैं, and then we find this victory of getting recommended.
It has its own taste.
Yeah.
It has its own taste.
Yes.
And for the group, and I read all the group planning exercises also that was given in your book, and these two things really helped me.
See, the best part of group planning exercise in my book is that it is in color.
Yes, sir.
तो बाकी बुक्स में आप क्या देखोगे, वो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में होती हैं, एंड द कैंडिडेट एक्चुअली डज नॉट इवन अंडरस्टैंड कि यू नो रोड किस कलर में दिखाते हैं, कि रेलवे लाइन कैसी दिखती है, वगैरह वगैरह. इसमें एक्चुअली कलर में अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज मच इजियर. आई हैव इवन गिवन यू अ सॉल्यूशन कि सॉल्यूशन लिखना कैसे.
2 sample solutions you have given.
Yes. So it will help the reader, and of course you also came online, तो उसका और ही फायदा हो गया.
Yes, sir. And sir, one more thing that I suggest your book to the candidates. The reason is being that sir कि कई बार क्या होता है ना कि even after 8-9 attempts, still मतलब लोगों को पता नहीं होता कि जो SSB का जो ग्रुप डिस्कशन है वो मतलब जो अपन कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स में जाते हैं या दूसरे कोई कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाते हैं उससे थोड़ा अलग होता है.
बिल्कुल. Yes.
सर द रीजन इज बीइंग एक्चुअली सर मेरे को भी मैं 8-9 अटेम्प्ट में तो मैं दिस वाज द रीजन दैट आई वाज नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म अप टू द मार्क इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन. Honestly आई एम स्पीकिंग. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि सर जैसे कोई टॉपिक होता है उसमें 3 लीड्स होती हैं और तीनों की तीनों लीड्स सही होती हैं, बट द fact of the matter is we have to take the one lead and justify it.
Yes, true.
This is the most important thing.
True.
And whether you are able to convince your group, whatever option you have chosen, so it depends completely on us. और आपकी बुक में मतलब तीनों responses के against में मतलब दिया हुआ है properly. So I have read all the GD topics. I have said कि 30-40 odd topics were there and I have go through all of them.
Very nice. Because ये जो last minute revision होता है, it brings so much of knowledge to us, and plus confidence भी आ जाता है कि हाँ भाई इतने सारे टॉपिक मुझे तो आते हैं, plus आपका previous भी आपने स्टडी तो करते रहे होंगे.
Yes, sir.
So that of course it works. So if you have a good book in your hand and you do those last minute revisions, anything else you would like to share, Gurmukh? Some message for repeaters, or you know, because when I see you, I'm reminded of our great martyr Captain Batra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he made it in I think 13 attempts.
Yes, sir. I have also read in somewhere.
Yeah. I think a lot of SSB aspirants don't know this, that when we keep improving,
yes,
the success is just there. But if we don't improve and we go कि इस बार फिर से SSB आ गया है, अब हम फिर से जा रहे हैं, that does not help. We need to improve, and in this regard also I would really appreciate your determination as well as your initiative, that you knocked on many doors.
Yes, sir.
And probably I am the lucky one to find you.
Yes, sir.
And was able to guide you. and
Yes, sir.
you were able to imbibe the good things. And so I call myself lucky because I coach many students. Not all are able to imbibe what I teach them.
Sir, apart from me, earlier, had there any candidate with you who got recommended in 13th attempt?
No.
Apart from me.
No.
Okay.
But I have had candidate who got recommended in 8th attempt. I've had candidate who got recommended. 8th is the maximum.
So now I have broken that record.
Yeah, you have broken that record. Like you are imprinted now.
Okay, sir.
So I think this, with your permission, I'll put this video on YouTube, on my
Yes,
channel,
sir.
Commander Rathod's channel,
Yes, sir.
and this will inspire many students.
Yes, sir.
Many students, and all the best to you. Do
Yes,
well,
sir.
and
Yes, sir.
the country will always be proud of you. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And sir, you definitely, I just want to say you definitely put this video to the YouTube, because I want ki more and more repeaters particularly benefited from your feedback also, and from my experience in the SSB also. And मैं उससे ज़्यादा खुशी मेरे को और किसी दूसरी चीज से नहीं मिलेगी. And sir, मतलब my word of advice to all the SSB aspirants or to the repeaters, I just please keep on improving and prepare in the right direction, because there is no meaning of preparing in the wrong direction.
Yes, that's true. That's true.
Prepare in the right direction, keeping the things in mind. जो मैंने आपके already we have discussed for the psych test, for the interview, and for the GTO I was already good. And there are so many coaching academies, but first of all, find the right assessor and prepare under them in the right way. And I think there is no one in this world who can stop us then. Always we will be victorious.
Thank
and
you.
Sir, I really want to thank you a lot also, because you really helped me in improving my psych assessment and the interview. And you also imprinted my mind for my whole life.
Thank you so much, Gurmukh. Whenever you get an opportunity to come to Bhopal, please visit. It will be a great pleasure.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.